Hey guys, today I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this letter-by-letter animation in DaVinci Resolve Fusion. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is right-click in the media pool and then create a new Fusion composition. Make sure the frame rate matches up and name it whatever you want. Then click Create. Now, drag it into the timeline. Click on it and head to the Fusion page. Here's where the magic happens. Make a text node and connect it up to your media out node, like so, and then do all your normal text styling. Now that you've done that, right click on your text box and then go to follower. Now click on your modifiers, then go to shading. Here is where we can create the position animation. I'm going to make an animation from bottom to top, so let's go to the end position and keyframe it. This is where the top is, and it'll open up this path. Don't do anything here, just go back to the follower by double clicking on it. Now go to the beginning of your animation and then offset it in whichever way you want. I'm going to do -0.4 for the Y position, so it's down here. And now you can see it animates just like a regular position animation. But we want it to go letter by letter. So let's go to timing and then add a delay. I'm going to add 2. And you can change the settings to your liking. Now, that's your animation so far, but obviously it doesn't look good. So what we're gonna do is open up the spline editor by clicking here, and then highlight the keyframes, and then click S on your keyboard. And now we can make a keyframe ease. I have a detailed tutorial on that, and I will link it in the top right corner. Now, let's see how it looks. Much better, but we don't want the text to be visible at the bottom here, so let's also add an opacity animation. Now we don't need to add the delay again, since the delay applies to every single parameter here. So let's go ahead and go to the end of the animation, and then set the opacity to 1, and then the beginning of the animation and set it to 0. That looks a lot better, and is almost the final animation. There's just one thing we're forgetting. For those of you who know my channel, you probably already know exactly what I'm going to be talking about. It's motion blur. So go back to Tools, and then Settings, and then click Motion Blur. Now set the quality to 4, and then set the shutter angle to 360. Or you can play around with it and get your own settings. I just personally use these. And there we go, that's our final animation. And make sure to play around with the settings so that you get the exact result that you would like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!